When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you do good. Period, point blank. Listen, man, I dropped a video the other day. Somebody in the comment section was like, how are you telling us to be better and do better, but you're not working out? You don't look like you're not fit, right? You're not fit. Hold on, bro. Let me. What's wrong with y'all, bro? Never play with me, bro. Oh, my mama don't ever play with me, bro. What's wrong with y'all, bro? What's wrong with y'all? I know I'm fitter than you. And it ain't to the person who said that I wasn't fit. I know I'm fitter than you because you hide behind a black screen, but I'm really out here showing y'all the work that I'm doing, vlogging my gym life, showing you what I'm doing. I was in the bulking season. Now I'm in the cutting season. If you don't know none of those terms, then you got to sit down, homie. When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you do good. You could talk your stuff because you put the work in. Can't nobody do that to you. It's 30 degrees out. So I wasn't showing all my muscles, but now it's still 30 degrees out. I'll show my muscles now. And I hope you're watching this video too, because I know you ain't in no gym. You hide behind a screen. Look good, feel good, do good, talk your stuff. Confidence, bro. You gotta be confident. Stop letting people poo-poo on you. Stop letting people disrespect you, bro. Take back your rightful place. You a king. Y'all gotta be working out. Y'all gotta be getting fit. I'm not just saying it to say it. I'm saying it because I'm doing it because I've seen the results. Because I see the results. Once I started working out, everybody started looking and respecting me. You know why? Because we know that it's not easy to look like this. We know that it's not easy to build muscle, any type of muscle. And in your journey of working out, in your journey of looking good, in your journey of being the best version of yourself, I want you to give yourself flowers and give yourself grace. I want you to understand that you have to celebrate all the wins. I want you to understand that if you're trying to lose weight and you lose 10 pounds in 1 month, or you lose 3 pounds in 1 month, or one pound in 1 month, that's still significantly better than not working out and not putting in the work. Y'all got to understand that. Y'all got to celebrate yourself because there's not a lot of people really putting in the work, bro. Everybody say that they put the work in, but they don't really put the work in. Everybody said that they want to be fit, but they not doing what it takes. Everybody said they want to be a YouTuber, but they afraid to stand in public and do the work. Everybody say they want your life, but they not willing to put in the work. Everybody say they want a better life, but they not willing to put the work in. So when it comes to your looks, bro, you got to understand when you look good, you feel good. And I feel really good. That's why it's cold out, but I don't care. I feel great because I put the work in. And there's a lot of people, they like to talk, bro. They not really putting in the work. There's a lot of people, they like to talk, but they not really putting in the work. You got to understand that. Don't let that be you. Put the work in, go to the gym, work out, lose the weight, and celebrate those wins. Celebrate those wins. Right? There's a lot of guys, bro, they're not consistent with their life. They're not consistent with their diet. Put the junk food down. It's not getting you to where you want to go. Put it away, bro. This ain't the time for that. This ain't the year for that. This ain't the day for that. This ain't the moment for that. This the moment to lock in and see what you can really do with your life. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how much you weigh. I don't care about none of that. I just care about you changing your life today, doing what you got to do today. I love y'all. That's why I do what I do, because I understand. I understand that it's not easy. I understand that it's a grind. Man, I've been in the gym for 4 or 5 years, bro. I've been in the gym for 4 or 5 years straight. So for somebody to say I'm not really working out, how dare you? Oh, you're not fit? How dare you? You don't know me. You don't know where I came from. You don't know how much I weighed before. You don't know how much weight I lost. And that's why you got to love yourself. You got to know what you're doing it for. You got to understand your goals. You can't compare yourself to other people. Comparison is the thief of joy. You can't compare yourself to other people's looks. You got to have your own benchmark. You got to understand your own story, your own grind. So I'm not saying that you got to be the most handsome man in the world. I'm not saying that you got to be so ripped that you could be Mr. Olympia. But all I'm saying is, bro, lose the weight. And if you skinny, gain the muscle. Okay? All I'm saying is get a skincare routine. Shout out to Teach Hanley. 40% off your first box and 20% off for life. Not only for the holiday season, but they doing this specifically for our channel because they rock with you, because they want you to be a purpose-driven man. A purpose-driven man is a man that takes care of his skin. My skin is clear. I got to talk my stuff because I think y'all think that I'm playing. I got a wife. You know how I got a wife? Because she love how I look. Because I take care of myself. You understand what I'm saying? I got women, they like how I look. I'm walking in public. I can see that they staring at me. Not because I'm working out. I'm not just working out, but I'm taking care of my skin. And I don't care for the attention, but I'm telling y'all, I'm letting y'all know. But most importantly, the one who has to know is you. You got to know. But if you want people to be attracted to you, right? You have to understand that attraction is important. You want to go on dates? You want to take that beautiful girl out? You want to cold approach her? Cold approach meaning you're walking up to somebody saying, hey, my name is so-and-so. Do you want to go for coffee? Okay, that might be your future wife. That might be your future girl. And she just going to walk right past you because you don't look good. Because you're not taking care of yourself. Again, you don't have to be perfect, but you have to take care of yourself the same way other people taking care of themselves. You a purpose-driven man. In order to be purpose-driven, you have to be taking care of your skin. You have to be taking care of your skin, bro. You have to have a skincare routine. You have to understand that that is so attractive. That's how you look smacks. Making sure that your skin is clear. Not out here looking like everybody else. Not out here doing what everybody else do. Most guys, they just use the same soap that they use to wash their hands, they wash their face. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. That's not purpose driven, bro. Your face is it's different from your hands. Your hands is rough. Your hands could play in the dirt. You understand? It's a different coating. The skin is different. The skin is more rough. The skin is more tough. The skin is more callous. So when you bring it up here to your face, it's soft, bro. Take care of your skin. Your skin shouldn't be hard like a rock. It's like, my skin hard like a rock. Why is your skin hard like a rock? And it's 2025, bro. Why is your skin hard like a rock? Man, please get Teach Hanley, bro. It's 40% off. There's no better deal than that. There's no better deal than that. And it's 40% off for purpose-driven men. Because they want you to be purpose-driven. Because the product was designed and made for you. I've been using it for a year and it's amazing. Shout out Teach Hanley. Get your box. Get a free gift. It comes with a free gift. And get 20% off of life. Stop playing. That's part of looksmaxxing too. So it's not just about working out, but it's about your skin. And this is going to build your confidence up. How can you be confident if you don't like how you look? How can you be confident if you don't like how you look? How can you be confident if you don't like your appearance? How can you be confident if you don't like your appearance, bro? I'm sorry. There's no way that I could be confident if I don't like my appearance, bro. But I'm confident because I like my appearance. I know that I look good. I'm on top of the roof right now. I know people can see me, but I look good. It's okay. You feel what I'm saying? I look good. Confidence, bro. And a lot of y'all not confident. A lot of y'all not going up to that girl because you don't like what you see in the mirror. Let's keep it real. You have to love what you see in the mirror. What's reflected to you, man, that's who you really are. If you don't like your weight, bro, you got to do something about that. If you don't like how you look, you got to do something about that. You got to take care of your skin. You got to take care of your dieting. What are y'all eating? You got to understand that you control what you put in your system. You control what you put in your mouth. You control that. Ain't nobody forcing nothing, bro. Ain't nobody forcing pizza. Eat the pizza. Eat the pizza. Pizza. Ain't nobody doing that to you, bro. Eat the Reese's. Eat the Reese's. Reese's. Ain't nobody doing that, bro. You have to be the one to say, nah, I gotta do what I gotta do in order to get me to where I want to go. You gotta be the one to say, I can't do the pizza. I'm sorry. You gotta be the one to say that, bro. You feel me? And maybe jewelry as well, accessorizing. Don't just do it for no reason though. Don't just get jewelry because it's like, oh, I want to look cool, right? I have a jewelry piece coming. That's going to be my trophy for 2024. All the hard work that I put in. I got a Jesus piece on the way. Okay. And when I wear it, it's not to flex. It's because I genuinely want to wear it. So I'm not going to sit here and promote. I'm not going to promote tattoos. I'm not going to promote jewelry. I'm not going to promote any of that. But these are accessories that can complement your character. It can complement who you already are. It can complement what you like. It can complement your personality. There's nothing wrong with compliments. Getting a haircut is a nice compliment. Getting your hair done is a nice compliment. You got to do that, bro. How often y'all going to the barber? No, I'm just being honest. I don't go to the barber for me personally because I have dreads, okay? I have locks. So all I need is a retwist. I don't need to do all the barber stuff. I don't need nobody pushing back my hairline. I'm good how I am. I'm handsome, okay? I'm good, all right? You got to figure out what works for you. You're handsome. You got to figure out what works for your handsomeness, okay? You feel what I'm saying? And at the end of the day, man, it's okay to accessorize, man. It's okay as long as it compliments you and as long as it glorifies the man above. In my humble opinion, as long as it's not disrespecting the man above. So at the end of the day, man, it's about what you want to do in this life, man. But I'll tell you one thing, you can't be fat, bro. I'm sorry, bro. You can't be fat, bro. You don't have to be ultra rich. You don't have to be ultra successful. You don't have to have a lot of money, but you have to be on your purpose and you have to be in that gym. You have to be on your purpose and you have to be on that gym. I guess I got to come out here with no shirt next time because y'all think I don't work out. Y'all think I'm not fit. No, that fired me up on another level. I'm like, if you can't see that I'm fit through the jacket, I need to spend a couple more hours in the gym. If you can't see that I'm fit through the jacket, through the sweater, because it's cold out, so I gotta wear it. Oh, I'm for sure turning up. I'm for sure turning. So homie who wrote that comment, thank you. I'm about to level up so much, it's gonna be crazy. I told him, I said, I am in shape. And right now, you just put me in elite shape. I'm about to be in elite shape. I'm about to turn up because I'm not taking that disrespect. I got offended and I know I'm in shape. So when I'm telling you that you need to lose weight, you need to be offended and you need to run with that. Look what one comment did to my energy. Look how that fired me up. I'm using it in a positive force. Whether they tried to be negative or not, whether they didn't actually know if I was fit or not, you know, maybe they were new to the channel. They never saw the gym vlogs. They never saw the recent day in the life videos where I'm working out. That's okay. No. I'm fired up now. I'm gonna use that. He's just talking about the gym. It's not just about the gym. It ain't just about a sponsorship, bro. It ain't just about the gym. Oh, is he talking about dieting? Nah, bro. See, it's people like that. They're not actually gonna elevate their life because they're not willing to invest in their life. Everything gotta be free for you. Everything gotta be easy for you. You don't want to invest in a gym membership. You don't want to invest in good skin. You don't want to invest in elevating your life. Well, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to people who's willing to invest. I'm talking to people who are ready to make that jump. I'm talking to people who's willing to invest in themselves. And it ain't just about money, it's about time. Y'all don't want to invest time into the gym. You want to sit around and you wonder why it ain't your year. You wonder why you always look the same. Why you think everybody else losing weight? How you think everybody else looking good? Because they putting in the work, because they doing the things that they don't want to do. Don't nobody want to be up in there. But we find a reason to wake up and go up in there every single day. That discipline, that consistency, God, faith, that resilience, man. I'm built different. I'm relentless. I don't know about you. I can't do the work for you. I can't go to the gym for you. I wish I can, but I can't. You have to do that. You got to fix your diet. You got to get right with God. You got to look better. You got to work on yourself. Some of y'all got to understand, maybe you got to grow a beard to look better. Maybe you got to cut it off. Maybe the beard don't look. I don't know, man. You have to experiment with your looks. But most importantly, when you lose that weight, you're going to look so much better. That's going to be the essence of a lot of this. When you lose that weight, when you go to that gym, when you take care of your skin, when you take care of how you look, you're going to look so much better. Cut your nails. Is your nails black right now when you watching this? Cut your nails, bro. You got these long nails like you sitting here cooking up crack. Come on, dog. Cut the nails. Don't just cut the nails though. Don't just cut the nails, bro. Cut the nails. Make sure you taking your showers. Make sure you taking your showers, bro. I'm talking at least a shower a day, bro. At least, bro. Morning and night preferably. You have to do these things because it's going to take you much more further than you think. When you're talking about glowing up, when you're talking about looking your best, these things matter. Appearances matter. Attraction matters. We can't lie and act like it doesn't. What's on the inside matters a lot too, but we talk about that in every video. So I understand this video may be a little bit more shallow, but it's needed because there's not enough guys actually taking care of themselves. There's not enough guys actually putting in the work. Your physical appearance matters. Y'all just be rolling out of bed. I rolled out of bed. I'm here. This is how I look. Accept me for who I am. No, we won't accept you for who you are. No, we're not. You ain't even brush your teeth talking about accept me for who I am. You don't gotta get veneers. You see what I'm saying? You don't have to go to the extreme. You don't have to have pearly whites, but your breath gotta be clean. You don't gotta have skin like God, but your skin gotta be clean. It gotta be clear. Your diet don't gotta be perfect, but you gotta eat healthy. You gotta try. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, really, bro, it's that easy, bro. When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you do good. You feel what I'm saying? And that's why the attraction matters. Taking care of yourself matters. And that's about looking good. So now let's talk about feeling good. Now that you look good, you're going to feel significantly better. You're going to be a lot more confident. you're gonna be on top of the world. This is a feeling that is achieved by people that look good. Looking good is subjective, but of course, like the things that we spoke about, looking good, you have to look good. You got to take care of yourself. Feeling good, man, you got to feel good. Because if you don't feel good, you're not going to want to put in the work. And the work has to get done. See, when you go to the gym and you go consistently, you feel good. Oh, I feel good. I feel good. And because you feel good, that energy is carrying you through. Because you feel good, you're more disciplined. Because you feel good, you're more consistent. And you're able to make progress. So this is way deeper than just the surface level. The beginning was probably shallow, but now we're going in deeper. The importance of taking care of your appearance means that you'll feel good, which means that now you possess the energy to make the changes that you want in your life because you like how you look. If you don't like how you look, then you're not going to really want to put in the work. If you feel ugly, if you're not putting on your best clothes, if you're not taking a shower, if you're not doing the best, man, I feel good when I take a shower, bro. I feel good when I wash my face. I feel good when I do my beard routine. I feel good when I do my hair. I mean, my wife does my hair, but I feel good when she does my hair. Right? I feel good. I feel on top of the world, like I could conquer the world. We got to have that feeling more often. When you don't take care of yourself, when you don't keep up with your appearances, when you don't get that fresh haircut, you notice how you feel more sluggish. You notice how you feel more sluggish. Be honest. Be honest, bro. You notice when you're not on your stuff, when you don't got a skincare routine, when you didn't do your hair, when you're not locked in like that, you don't feel as good. When your appearances are slacking, you don't feel as good. And if you don't feel good, you're not going to do good. And you have to do good. Because doing good is what's going to bring the results that you need. Doing good is what's going to bring the results that you need in this life. Okay? That's the video for today. I love you. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.